Yes, here the next topic in this lesson, that is the heredity lesson. And next topic we are having a monohybrid cross inheritance of one gene. What we have seen before topic, that is the introduction, and Grigor Jahan Mental, a father of genetic, right? So next topic in this lesson is monohybrid cross inheritance of one gene. Here a monohybrid, mono which means a single. Okay, what is a mono which means a single, hybrid which means a kalapinam solvaanga, that is a hybrid, and cross. Here they are going to cross the monohybrid plants. Okay, here inheritance of one gene. So they are having a single genes type. For an example, they are taken a pear plant, one tall plant, one a dwarf plant. Just give an example. I just give an example to that. Tall plant and a dwarf plant. Both of a what? A pea plant. Okay ma. Pattani chedi solluvom illaya. Tall plant irukku, at the same time a dwarf plant irukku. So there is a single gene. Here they are going to a cross between that. Just take in a table column. Capital T, small t. So this is the what? Et al. Small t, small t. So this is the what? Dwarf. And now I going to do a what? A cross between a monohybrid. So here tall and dwarf plant, they are getting a tall and dwarf. So here also same, and here also same, right? So this is the what? A monohybrid cross of inheritance of a two gene. Okay. Then we know that what are the keywords, that is the important D words are present in this topic. First one is the monohybrid. We already say that what is a monohybrid, the topic itself. And next one, phenotypic or phenotype. What is the next one? Phenotypic or phenotype. Here a phenotypic, which mean here just take it here. What is a ratio ma? 1:1:1:1. So this is the what? A ratio of a monohybrid cross. How we have said a 1:1:1? We are having a single trait, single trait, single trait, and single trait. So this is the what? A ratio of a monohybrid cross. First thing, phenotype அப்படின்னு என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா, external expression of a particular trait is known as a phenotype. Particular traits மட்டுமே express பண்ணா, that is the what? Phenotype. அப்போ ஒரு tall plant ஒரு dwarf plant இருக்கு, both they are getting a cross. What they are expressed to that? A tall only they are expressing the character. அப்போ small t என்ன பண்ணிடும்? Just they are suppressing the character because that is a recessive character. Okay, and next one is the genotype. Here a genotype, which means a genetic expression of an organism. What is a genetic expression of an organism? Here they are done a cross, right? Tall plant ku cross pannom, short plant ku cross pannom. Okay ma? Ipo a tall and a dwarf plant is there, no? They are particularly tall plant, they are expressing their character, and dwarf plant also they are expressing the character. Appo genetica they are just expressing the character. That is the what? A genotype. And next one we are having a gene. Here we already say that what is the meaning of a gene. Here a gene, what we are say, an expression of a particular character from the parent. Parent or a particular character, just they are expressed that. That is the gene. And next one is the homozygous. Here homo, which means a single. Okay, genetic condition of an individual of same alleles. Same allele. Allele first. For an example, just take it. This is a what? A chromosome. Okay, here they are having a particular character for that. So here this genes or particular gene, they are determining the color of an eye. Eye oda color determine pannalam. Okay, here this particular gene, they determine the color of an hair. So this is the what? Alleles. ஓகேவா, அதுதான் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, அலீல்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஹியர் ஹோமோசைக்கஸ். ஹோமோசைக்கஸ்ன்றது என்னது, ஜெனட்டிக் கண்டிஷன், இண்டிவிஜுவலோடைய ஜெனட்டிக் கண்டிஷன், பர்டிகுலர் ஜீன். ஃபார் அன் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இப்போ போத் பேரண்ட் இருக்காங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோ. If I take a plant, this is present in a plant body, they go for a reproduction, they are producing a same character. So there is a homo and hetero. A two different parent character is there, no? So here they are in a black hair, they are in a gray hair. Gray hair irukanga vechiko. So this is a dominant character. Just imagine panipo, this is the dominant character and this is the recessive character. So what will be happen? For an example, this is the female one and this is the male one. So female is dominant, male is recessive. So just they are suppressing the character of an hair color. Okay, here the heterozygous, two different alleles. Two different alleles on particular gene combine ஆகும்போது just they are expressing a dominant one. That is the what? Heterozygous. Here alleles, now only we are saying what is an alleles, and next one allelomorph. Alleles are allelomorph, that is the same. And next one is the dominant condition, recessive condition. Here they are given a recessive conditions. What is in a recessive condition? Here we say in a recessive condition, just they are suppressing the character. They are making a mask for that. Okay, that's a recessive condition. They won't express in their character directly. Okay, but dominant just they are suppressing the character of recessive. That is the recessive condition. Let me know that a detailed explanation of an one by one. So it started from the monohybrid. Just see the monohybrid cross. Here the first topic, that is the first important D words in this topic is a monohybrid cross. We already said that what is in a monohybrid. Let me see in a definition way. First thing, a cross involving or inheritance of only one pass of contrasting character are called monohybrid cross. What they are given? A cross involving. Okay, something is cross or involving in that. We already discussed about the tall character and short character. So they are given a cross. This is what? Cross involving inheritance. Inheritance nale, that is the heredity characters. Only one pass of contrasting character. This is the one character and this is the opposite character to this. So contrasting character are called monohybrid cross. So finally we are getting a both character, tall and a dwarf character. Okay, so that's it for a monohybrid cross. Okay, let me move on. Next one, phenotypic. Yes, here the next topic we are having a phenotype. First thing, a phenotype is an external expression of a particular traits is known as a phenotype. First thing, external expression of a particular traits is known as phenotype. They are saying what is external expression of a particular traits. Let me know that. First thing, if you take a F1 generation and F2 generation. Okay, in a F1 generation we are taking a tall plant. In F2 generation, now we are going to take a short plant. They are having a same character and here they are having a same character. And now if you are going to cross between that, what we are gain? One tall plant, one a dwarf plant. Okay, and same like that in F2 generation also we get one tall plant and one short plant. And now we are going to cross between this two different character. What we are gain at the finally? One tall, one dwarf. So totally a dwarf. Same like that here also we are gain a one tall, one dwarf and tall. And now just you have to write a ratio for this tall plant, and short plant. So 3:1. How we are written a ratio? Tall plant. என்னெல்லாம் tall plant இருக்கோ based on that we just write a ratios, right? 3:1. So ட்ராஃப் பார்த்தோன்னா ஒரே ஒரு ட்ராஃப் தான், தட் இஸ் தி வாட் 1. ஓகேவா? ஹியர் ஹியர் ஆல்சோ they are having a ட்ராஃப் கேரக்டர், பட் they won't express that. ஓகேவா? இது என்ன பண்ணிடும், ஜஸ்ட் they are suppressing the recessive character. ஓகேவா? அப்போ இங்கே என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, எக்ஸ்டர்னல் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஆஃப் ஏ பர்டிகுலர் கேரக்டர். இப்போ பர்டிகுலர் கேரக்டர் மட்டும் தான் என்ன பண்ணோம், எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ஆகும். they won't express for that separately. டாலும் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணாது, ட்ராஃபும் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணாது. ஒரே ஒரு கேரக்டர் ஒன்றே ஒன்று தான் என்னதுமா, டால் மட்டும் தான் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணும். சரியா? சரி, ட்ராஃப் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணாது. ஓகேவா? அதான் எக்ஸ்டர்னல் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஆஃப் a particular trait. Traitனா கேரக்டர் is known as a phenotype. And next one is the genotype. What is the next one? Genotype. A genetic expression of a genotype is the genetic expression of an organism. Genetic expression. Here a genetic. What they are given as a genetic na? Here just taken a tall plant and dwarf plant. Both of them are separately express their gene. Gene oda character separate express panna, that is the genotype. ஓகேவா? ஜெனட்டிக்கோட எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் அந்த டாலோடைய கேரக்டரும் இருக்கும், அட் த சேம் டைம் ட்ராஃபோடைய கேரக்டரும் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? இங்கே இதை யாரையும் சப்ரஸ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. சரியா? தட் இஸ் தி வாட் எ ஜீனோடைப். Genotype is the genetic expression of an organism. So that's it for a genotype. And next, let me move on next one, gene. Here a gene is the unit of heredity. Why they said a gene is the unit of heredity? Well, first thing, let me know that what is a gene. Gene na enna paakalaama. Just draw a diagram. You know that what is this? It's a chromosome. இல்லைங்களா? How they are formed, and before that forming of a chromosome, how they are look like in a threaded form, right? In that threaded form, just taken here, this is the one thread. Okay, this is the thread. Here they are contained a DNA. Okay, this is the what? A DNA. இதுதான் இந்த த்ரெட்டில் இருக்குது. a particular strand of DNA. Particular strand of DNA, they are having a same protein molecules. That is the what? A gene. Here a gene is a unit of heredity. Why they are said a unit of heredity? Here they are having a particular traits. அப்போ they are also carrying to the next generation. The particular traits என்ன பண்ணும், அப்படியே next generation carry ஆகுமா? அப்போ ஹெரிடிட்டினாலே என்னது, carrying of character from one generation to another generation இல்லையா? So here they are called as a unit of heredity, which is transferred from a parent. So this is the present in a parent. When they are given a reproduction, they are carried to the offspring. Offspring is held together to determine the some character of offspring. Okay, why is that enna panacheenga, held ஆச்சு. Okay ma, before that forming of a chromosome, they are threaded form, they are just held together to determine particular character. For example, this is the particular portion to determine the eye color. This is a particular portion to determine the hair color. Okay va? That's it for a gene. Okay, just have to read it again. Gene is the unit of heredity, which is transferred from parent to offspring and held to determine the characteristics of offspring. So that's it for a gene. Let me move on next one. And next topic we are having a, yes, here the next topic we are having a homozygous. Homo, which mean a single, we are saying no. Homozygous அப்படினா என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Before the definition, just know that homozygous, here this is the what? The chromosome, and here this is the another pattern of chromosome. Okay, in a particular area, and here also there are particular area, they are having a one character. For an example, it is easy to take an eye color, and here also eye color. Both of them having a black. What color ma? A black in color. So they are having a same color. Just have to clear it. Now we are going to do know that definition of a homozygous. Homozygous is the genetic condition. Homozygous is the what? Genetic condition where an individual, this is the one individual and this is the another individual. where an individual inheritance of, this is the inheritance character ma, of same alleles of particular gene for both parent, same alleles. Eye color is a black, eye color is a black, same alleles of particular gene of both parent. This is the one parent and this is the one another parent. So both parent is known as a homozygous. Just easy thing. Homozygous is genetic condition. இது ஒரு genetic condition. ஓகேவா, இண்டிவிஜுவலோட இன்ஹெரிடன்ஸ், இவங்களோட இன்ஹெரிடன்ஸோ சேம். ஓகேவா, இங்கே நான் பர்டிகுலர் ஜீனில் சேமாக இருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா, போத் பேரண்ட்டும் சேமாக இருக்காங்க. தட் இஸ் தி ஹோமோசைகஸ். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஜஸ்ட் ஹியர் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். And next one is the heterozygous. What is the next one? Heterozygous. Here heterozygous have a two different allele of a particular gene or genes. For an example, just see here. This is one parent we say na. Just take another parent type of a chromosome. Here. And here they are having a eye color. And this side they are having a eye color, hair color, hair color. Chaliya, what they are saying? Heterozygous have a two different allele. They are having a two different kind of alleles. Here they are having a black color. Here they are having a grey color. Okay, but two different alleles of a particular gene. ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ஜீனில் டூ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அலீல்ஸ் இருக்காங்க ஆஃப் எ பர்டிகுலர் ஜீனில் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி வாட் heterozygous. Heterozygous-நாலே டூ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கேரக்டர் ஆஃப் அன் ஜீன் ஆர் present in that. ஓகேவா, அப்போ ஹோமோசைகஸ்னா சேம் கேரக்டர் ஆர் that is the alleles. ஓகேவா, same alleles are present. Here different kinds of alleles are present. Okay, so that's it for an homozygous and heterozygous. And last one, we are having a allele. Okay, here allele, just see this allele or allelomorph. Two factor making up a pair, a contrasting character are called alleles or allelomorph. Alleles are allelomorph. Just see here, two factor are crossing. A two factor making up a pair. Okay, this is a two factor. They are going to making up a pair to each other. Now they are done a pair. Contrasting character are called. Here they are having a one character and here they are also having a another character to that. Just they are transferring character here and here also. And finally how they are formed. They are transferring character in between that. Transfer आयचा character. So that is the what alleles are allelomorph. Two factor make ஆகும், that is the pair ஆகும். Okay, contrasting character, different character pair ஆகி they are forming a allelomorph form ஆகும். Okay, so that's it for an alleles and alleles are allelomorph. So that they are completed today's topic. I hope you have to understand to that. Just a remaining topic is there. We will discuss in the laterly for our next class also. Okay, ma. You just follow all the things in your class book note. No need to copy in observation. Just follow the definition in your class book note. Read and write your own test. Okay. Thank you. We'll see the remaining topic for our next class. Thank you, student.